Want to stop people from seeing when you're online on Instagram? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off active status on Instagram. Now let's get started. To disable active status on Instagram, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Messages and Story Replies. Then tap Show Activity Status. Tap the switch to turn off activity status. When this is turned off, other users won't be able to see when you're active on Instagram, and you won't be able to see when your friends are active on Instagram either. That's all it takes to turn off activity status on Instagram. If you're looking for other ways to make your Instagram more private, check out our tutorial on how to disable comments on your story posts next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.